Welcome to this video. Really great to have you here with me. I've got an absolute belter for you, which is another way of saying in the UK, a really great video. I'm excited to show you this one. In a nutshell, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to spy on competitors and outrank them using SEO. I'm going to give you 7 steps or 7 prompts that you can follow, and it will allow you to take any niche that you want to rank for, find the competition, analyze their content, find content gaps and analyze the keywords, like the percentage of keywords that they're using, and also write your own content to outrank them, as well as refine it and monitor it to make sure that you've got the best chance of ranking. Ultimately, what it will show you how to do is improve on competitors' content without using any tools apart from ChatGPT. You don't need any SEO tools, so to speak. Really excited to show you. I'm going to give you examples as we go through, and it will be something that you can implement today quickly and easily. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. It does help, and it lets me know that someone's actually on the other end of the video. If you're interested in building income streams via AI, do subscribe, because I've got a lot coming up, long form guides, loads on different prompts for all areas of building income streams from your own products, affiliate marketing, and easy income stream creation. So do consider subscribing for that. And if you're really wanting to get going, check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page. It's called your freedom ticket, and what it is you get training and 6 niches and 20 pieces of content for each niche, so you can build affiliate sites that actually rank. In a weird way, the video that we're covering today sort of goes hand in hand with it, because you could follow the same strategy once you've got a site out there and outrank everyone. So do check that out. There's a video that will explain exactly what you get. You get 6 niches, you get full training, you'll be able to build affiliate sites that actually work in 2024 and coming into 2025. Okay, so let's get on with how I use ChatGPT to spy on competitors and outrank them. And the best thing is, it's super easy and something that you can do today with a niche that you're interested in. So let's get straight into it. Okay, the first thing that we want to do is competitor research. This is really easy, and you can expand on these prompts, but I'm just using an example niche here, steam irons. So you can use any niche that you're interested in. This works really well for affiliate sites. The prompt that you want to give, something like this: what are the top 5 affiliate sites ranking for best steam irons? If you're in business and you're looking to outrank other businesses for SEO, you just modify that and say, what are the top 5 businesses or business sites offering these services ranking for this key phrase. So to make full use of this prompt, you need to know the key phrase you'd like to rank for, and obviously the business that you're in that you already know. What it will do, and a little disclaimer, I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, so the latest version. What it will do is go off and search the web, and here we go. Here are the top 5. Here are the 5 top affiliate sites that are currently ranking for best steam irons 2024. Your Best Digs, Expert Reviews, The Spruce, The Independent, The Telegraph. What I could also do to modify that, because these are quite big sites, okay, so they're going to be hard to outrank. What I could also do is just say, give me the top 5 affiliate sites ranking on the first and second page that don't have a huge authority, if you wanted to have a look at competitors and actual WordPress sites and so on. But we'll go with this, and it's given me a list of the top 5 sites. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is analyze the content. So I picked this one, but you could, like number 1, Your Best Digs, you could go through each in turn. But just for this example, the next prompt that you want to follow is analyze the content structure of the page that you're interested in. Okay, so what ChatGPT has done here is given me the actual page, in this case the best steam irons, and it says here it's analysed the content of that actual page. What are the main headings, key topics and strengths of this page? You can build off that prompt, but that's the next step, content analysis. It then goes and searches that page just around best steam irons, and it says, okay, it's got clear sections, introduction, top picks, table of tested irons, detailed reviews, and how we selected, how we tested. A breakdown of the main structure. This gives us a structure that we could follow, and also a structure that we can build upon. Not to copy, but we can see, okay, this is ranking well. Let's follow a similar structure. Okay. The next prompt, the next stage is this. What are some key areas that this page, like whatever page you're looking at, missed or didn't cover in depth about best steam irons? So we've got the structure here, but now I want to know, are there any key areas that they didn't cover? Okay, almost like content gaps, so to speak. So here are some key areas that your best digs page could improve on. Durability and longevity. While performance is covered, long-term durability of the steam irons or warranty isn't discussed in depth. With my content, I can then make sure that it is, to make sure that the content's really good. User-focused scenarios. The guide could be better to highlight steam irons based on specific user needs, such as for delicate fabrics, heavy use or hard water areas. Content gaps there. Comparative value. The value for money aspect could be more clearly outlined with pricing tiers. Portability and travel friendly models or compact models aren't emphasized enough for frequent travelers. More than this, guys, if you're looking through 4 or 5 different sites and you see the same content gaps when you're analyzing content, gives you a really good way in to think, okay, I can take advantage of those content gaps. The next thing that we can do with a prompt is this. Analyze the keyword strategy of this page and tell me what are the primary and what are the secondary keywords, and are there any underused keywords they missed. And this is really good. Look at this. Analyzing the keyword structure of that page involves identifying the primary and secondary keywords they were targeting, as well as spotting any potential underused keywords. Based on the content structure and typical SEO practices, here's a comprehensive analysis, and it's given me the primary keywords, it's given me the secondary keywords that are covered on that page, and more importantly for us, when we want to rank, it's given me the underused or potential keywords. Steam generator irons, vertical steaming capability, anti-scale technology, self-clean function, and so on. These are content gaps that I could then add to a similar page with the structure that we've had a look at, or for content ideas on the site that I know that aren't being covered. Again, if you see the same content gaps or keyword gaps for other sites, you know that you've got a way in there that would be really good for your affiliate site or your business to be able to get in there. Recommendations for enhancing keyword strategy, and here we go. It's actually given me a guide, ChatGPT, steam generator irons, vertical steaming, use long tail keywords, best steam iron for delicate fabrics, eco-friendly steam iron, optimize for user intent, compare top steam irons, what to look for in a steam iron, leverage structured data, schema markup, include visual SEO, optimize images with alt tags and so on. And this is just SEO practices, but you can see there it's given me the keywords that we can then take advantage of. The next thing you can do is a content plan. Okay, so these all go in sequence based on my analysis of this page. Can you help me create a content plan that covers the gaps, includes underused keywords, and improves on the structure? And this is sort of tying everything that we've done together. Now we can have a look and we can see, okay, put it all together for me, give me a content plan, and here's a content plan. Introduction, primary keywords, top steam irons for different users. So it's actually given me the subheadings to use, key features to look for. It's also given me the primary keywords and exactly what to discuss or exactly what to write. I could also get help with writing it as well using ChatGPT. portability and compact steam irons, and so on. Broken down, frequently asked questions, comparison table, and what it's done there is actually given me a easy way of taking the gaps, taking the flaws of a high ranking site and building content that will outrank it really, really quickly, and putting that together. This is just one site as well, so you could do this with the other sites. The next thing that you can do is writing. You can actually get help with writing using ChatGPT, and I'm just touching on this here. There's more in it if you want to build a full template. I've done some videos on this as well. Help me write a highly optimized introduction and conclusion for a blog post about best steam irons 2024, targeting best steam iron for travel, affordable steam irons and eco-friendly steam irons, including engaging hook and a strong call to action. And it's given me the optimized introduction to start my content with for that structure above, and then an optimized conclusion with a call to action. So the final piece to the puzzle, and bear in mind this is just one page, one site, is once you've got that and you've got the structure and you've started writing the content, then the final piece to the puzzle is this prompt. What are some ways I can improve or update my content about best steam irons 2024 to continue outranking my competitors? And it give me ideas. This prompt can also help if you've currently already got the content and you're looking for an idea of how to update it. Use that prompt, and you can go in regularly every month and update the content to maintain your rankings and make sure that you're focusing on the cutting edge for that particular niche. Regular updates with new models, user focused sections on budget steam irons, incorporate video content from YouTube, embed that in there, add expert interviews or user reviews. You could use Reddit posts as well, long tail keyword optimization, comparison tables, and so on. So if you use those prompts for any niche that you want to rank in, what you will be able to do is find your competitors, walk through their content and make sure that you're analyzing their strengths and their weaknesses, get content gaps for your own content, and then get a content plan and a template for your own content to be able to outrank it while making really, really good content. So I hope you enjoyed that. Do get those prompts. Do pause the video if you need to read those prompts and go and give that a go with a key phrase or a niche that you're interested in, and you will have the best chance of ranking. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Do give us a thumbs up, do subscribe, do check out your freedom ticket if you want to join us and build niche sites that work, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.